Hi, welcome to this video. How to run ads on Instagram. To run ads on Instagram, basically you can boost a post directly from the app for quick setup, right? Or use Meta Ads Manager for advanced targeting and campaign control. So we're gonna do the easiest method, which is boosting content, right? This is the fastest way to turn your existing organic posts or stories into ads using the app. So make sure your account is a professional account, business or creator account, right? Via your settings, go to your profile at the bottom right and tap the post or reel you want to promote. Right, let's say this video, or this reel, excuse me. All you gotta do is just hit boost post. Right? Now, what you're gonna do, you're gonna select a goal. You're gonna choose a goal, right? If you want them to visit your profile, visit your website, message you, mix of actions, you can just go ahead and take the best of both worlds, right? Best for multiple goals, including engagement, follows, and more to help drive overall performance, right? And who should see your ad? You can add special requirements like financial products and services, employment, housing, social issues, elections, or politics. Maybe like create your own thing, right? The audience, the age limit, etc. And next, and set a daily budget. Okay, you can set like $2 daily, or $5 daily, or $12 daily, and the duration should be 1-2 days, or like 3 days, or basically, however. So you're gonna pay $6 over 2 days. This is the estimated impressions, 6,000 to 12,000. Hit next, right? And just select your payment method, and basically that's it. Add funds using your credit card, debit card, whatever, right? And basically go ahead and add funds. So consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.